Good morning, everyone. Major projects on cashew nut separating using image processing under the guidance of Kanman MM. My team members are Sawas Karim Jamandar, Spandana KP, Yashasvi, and myself Sitaram. The abstract of the major project is basically the food quality that we are consuming is more important. As people have become educated, their demands for quality of grains is increasing. The possible the possibility of adulterations of food grains by the trades. Generally, the quality assessment is carried by visual inspect with is manual processing. This project will make use of image processing technique using Raspberry Pi and Raspberry Pi camera. Projects provide the quality assessment of cashew nut based on its size, shapes, colors, and its grades. Based on size, shape, and color, cashew nuts are grades as grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3, and grade 4. The system is developed by trained data sets and are classified using decision tree techniques using Navy-based classifier as an algorithm. The problem statement of the project is the cashew nuts grading through machines can predict the futures of cashews such as shape, color, size, and its diameter. So this system is to make the above feature as an input and detect the cashew nut grade by using a camera to detect the cashew nuts. Here we are concentrating only on the grading of different features of cashews. So we came up with the ideas which will help to farmers using our project to reduce the labor cost and time maintenance. Introductions of the project is that here we use camera to detect and identify the cashew nuts. In order to improve the cashew nuts quality and production efficiency and reduce the labor power, it is necessary to research in non-destructive automatic detection technology. Evolution of cashew nuts is the process of detecting fruits quality. Nowadays, the excellence of cashew nuts size is major axis and minor axis cannot evaluate online. By using traditional method, we developed the image processing technique and computer software is become more efficient to detect the cashew nuts quality by using Raspberry Pi. Here, image processing is to analyze the cashew nut features. With the development of image processing technique, it became more efficient to detect the cashew nuts quality by using Raspberry Pi as an hardware. The main aim is to build the machines which can be used as a grader and separator, so the work can be done automatically, continuously. Design model diagrams. The flow diagram of this project is image acquisition, image processing and segmentation, feature extraction and selections, training the model and classification. The image acquisition data collections. In our system, image processing is divided into 3 sections. The first section carries out the from pre-processing in the whole image, including grayscale conversion. Data collection are image acquisitions by capturing the image from the inputs. The image processing and segmentation, the original image is converted into some pixel size, some X plane and Y plane pixel size, and it clarified the clarity size of the deep learning and the edge enhancements and sharpening, And image segmentation. Image segmentation, some values are added from the inputs, input image, and feature extraction and selection. Feature extraction selection, shape and size are features, morphological processing, some digital image processing techniques we are added, texture and features of GLM and LBP, color features, HSV, color shape of some conversions of the original image and RGB color to white and black image. The feature from segmentations and the feature selections are in the third part, and the last part is training the model and classification. Training and cross validations is by testing the model of the project and classify the final result of the project. In selections of the first, the RGB image is converted to the grayscale image, and then threshold effect is applied with some values. The resultant image may contain some noise objects which create erroneous results. The minimize their effect, these unwanted objects are eliminated according to their sizes. In second section, the caches are extracted from the image. These two images are subtracted, and this resultant image will be the fault on type. Again, the image effects, these unwanted object eliminations is done according to their size. Finally, some fundamental features, that is size, aspects, ratio, textures, and calculations of each caches. This image processing including a capture of image, noise emulsion, RGB conversion, unwanted object elimination, threshold calculation, and on the basic of decision tree, caches is graded and separated. This is the block diagram of the project. In this, we can see that Raspberry Pi camera processing and Raspberry Pi decision tree result and gives for the type of. In Raspberry Pi camera, we put it in the top of the bed. The moving belt is put it in the DC motors, and the caches are moved from one into another. The Raspberry Pi camera, it detects the caches and it will send the image to the Raspberry Pi, and it will process the image, and it can eliminate the noise emulation and adding the threshold effects of the some values, and convert the RGB to the grayscale conversion, and it can classify the each type of grades is coming from the raw data, and it finally the end of the belt it will grade using some stepper motor. The 4 types of grades are available. The sequence diagram of this project is the caches are captured from the Raspberry Pi camera, and it will again and again capture the image. The Raspberry Pi camera is filter the image by some color images to grayscale conversion, as we seen in the diagram, and it will activate the stepper motor, and based on the cache nut, the stepper motors are run. Which type of caches is done coming from the bed, and the results are the 4 types of grades is obtained. The screenshot. The screen captured by the image is original image. The original image of the cache nut is captured from the Raspberry Pi camera, and it converting into grayscale image, and some threshold effects we had added to remove the noise emulation, some effects, morphological effects. We added threshold effect, and the histogram of this project is some 250 in x-axis, 1000 in the y-axis, which clarify the pixels of the image. And conclusion. Using the most relevant features, one can significantly improve the automatically of caches grading using grading process. In our system, caches kernels are placed on the one side of the conveyor belt, which will move forwards once reached below the webcam. Image is captured, gets pre-processed, followed with training datasets. On the basis of decision tree, the grade of the Casio is displayed on the minor monitor, and accordingly it gets separated and moved to the desired container. Thus we get grade wise separated Casio, increasing the database, which result is more accuracy. This is our project. We can modify the labor cost of the and